right, lesson 33. 33, there is another way of looking at the world. Yeah, it's like this. There is another way of looking at the world. Today's idea is an attempt to recognize that you can shift your perception of the world in both its outer and inner aspects. A full 5 minutes should be devoted in the morning and evening applications, or at 3 in the morning. In these practice periods, the idea should be repeated as often as you find comfortable, though unhurried applications are essential. Alternate between surveying your outer and inner perceptions, but without an abrupt sense of shifting. Merely glance casually around the world you perceive as outside yourself, then close your eyes and survey your inner thoughts with equal casualness. Try to remain equally uninvolved in both and to maintain this detachment as you repeat the idea throughout the day. The shorter exercise periods should be as frequent as possible. Specific applications of today's idea should also be made immediately when any situation arises which tempts you to become disturbed. For these applications, say, there is another way of looking at this. Remember to apply today's idea the instant you are aware of distress. It may be necessary to take a minute or so to sit quietly and repeat the idea to yourself several times. Closing your eyes will probably help in this form of application. There is another way of looking at this. So that's today's lesson, lesson 33. There is another way of looking at this. Good luck. We'll chat later when it's actually really the next day and I will look great. I can't sleep. All right, there's your lesson. There's my lesson. There is another way of looking at the world. Yeah, inner, outer, detach from it all, just put it on everything. There is another way of looking at the world. There is another way of looking at this. Yeah.